All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I've got a new wig that I think you guys are gonna love. So if you are interested in this very natural look, keep on watching. So let's get straight to what you guys came here for. This is the JOAN UPART wig from My First Wig. This wig is 20 inches and it does have an adjustable straps, and you see all the details and combs and everything. So I did go ahead and wash the wig because I wanted to see it in its natural texture, and this is how it is looking. So I just quickly blow dried the hair, really kind of get into the roots because that's all that it needed. And I probably did this for about 5 minutes or so. And then next I'm just going to go straight into flat ironing this hair. It flat ironed beautifully, you guys. I just took my time, and this is the real time right here because I only wanted to do one pass. So with one pass, this is how straight it got, which I thought was awesome. So this hair was absolutely amazing. I don't have any negatives about this hair so far, you guys. It's soft, it's beautiful. It literally looks like relaxed hair, blown out texture, you know, blown out hair. It looks like it could be my like natural hair for real. So I was very excited about that. I do want to point out that this UPART didn't fit me quite well. I got the larger size that was offered, so I think going with the smaller size or the regular size, because I think it's only 2 of them, would have been best. So just kind of keep that in mind when ordering. And then 2, you'll see in a couple minutes that I didn't really pull out that much leave out. I actually should have pulled out a little bit more on the top because I can see the weft at the top of my head, but I didn't feel like going back and all that kind of stuff. So just, you know, just kind of keep that in mind. So I pulled out my leave out doing a middle part, and then I pulled out the sides, which you see right here, just so if I wanted to pull the hair back, just in case the wind blew, just in case, you know, I made any sudden movements, no one could tell that I had on a wig, and it would blend much better. So I highly recommend you doing your leave out like this or very similar to it if you want that really natural look. So now I'm just simply putting the combs in and styling as usual. This is really going to be great for all of you guys who have been wanting to try a wig, don't want to deal with lace fronts and closures and baby hair and freeze spray and all that kind of stuff. This is a really great place to start if you are looking to try your first wig. So I'm gonna hush. You guys keep on watching, and I'll be back in just a sec to give you guys my final thoughts. All right, hey y'all, so just a few final thoughts on this wig from My First Wig. So to start off, I really love the texture. It's been such a long time since I've worked with like kinky texture, and it felt good. It's pretty thick hair in its natural state, but once you straighten it out, it like it works. I love the luster on it. I love the shine of it. The hair is also very, very, very soft, which I kind of expected. I don't think I've ever run into any like kinky hair that was super hard or rough or anything like that. As far as like a wig goes, I also have not done a UPART wig in like, I think it's been like 2 years, y'all. It's been such a long time. And I was just like, okay, this is a little out of what I'm used to doing, but it was nice to do because I think this type of wig would suit so many of you guys out there, whether you are working from home, having Zoom meetings at home, or you know, you've got to look decent on conference calls. This will also work for even those who cannot work at home and just looking for something easy. You don't have the upkeep of any kind of closures, any kind of lace front, any kind of lace, no nothing. I will tell you, I was pretty excited not to use any kind of hairspray, alcohol, blow dryers. My only thing for me personally is I don't straighten my natural hair that often. I probably do it twice a year just to get my like ends cut. And that's not because I'm afraid of heat or anything like that. It's simply because I just don't want to. I don't feel like it. I don't want to. So I just choose not to. It's that simple. And my hair reverts super, super fast, you guys. It's pretty warm in my house right now. I'm in front of our really big window. When I was prepping, you know, to sit down and talk to you guys, moving my camera and stuff around, my hair just started to revert. And I was like, see? That's why I'm full with this kind of stuff. But if your hair is either like relaxed, text-lax, and even if you're natural and you just a straight natural, or if you don't care about straightening your hair, this would be a really great option for you. Another thing for me personally is I think I should have probably took out a little bit more leave out, but I was hesitant to, simply because I just didn't want to flat iron or put heat on, you know, a lot of my hair because it just was not time for me to do that in my yearly routine. And so I didn't feel like going back in, taking out more hair, flat ironing and all that kind of stuff. So I do like know where my like little humps are right here, but I'm just saying that to make sure you take out a little bit more. That, and the front of my hair is also not super thick. So that's another thing too. If the front of your hair is not super thick, you will need a little bit more leave out. Having the sides out is very convenient, just in case you want to pull your hair back into a ponytail, or if you're outside, the wind is blowing, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about the wig, you know, pushing your hair back and then everybody knowing that you really wearing a wig. Like, that's not what we want. Overall, I do like it. I think for my natural girls who, you know, love their natural hair, who are like me, who don't straighten it very often, and I kind of like are side-eyeing this UPART wig, think of like twist outs and braid outs. Like when I was finished and I was sitting down and I was like, my hair is starting to revert. It's starting to revert. That's that 4B, 4C hair. I was like, you know what? A braid out or a twist out, something like that would have been perfect on this hair. So keep that in mind, that the options are endless and you don't have to worry about like, you don't have to worry about a lace front. Y'all should know that's a lot of upkeep. It's a lot of work. So I highly recommend this type of wig to my teachers, my moms on the go, my boss ladies on the go, just someone who doesn't want to do the silky straight Brazilian, you know, just all that kind of, I get it. We don't always want to do that. And I am all for this. So I think my first wig did a really great job, you guys. So you do have a little storage pouch to, you know, store your wig when you're not wearing it. Next, they gave me wig cap, which I didn't even use. And also, why did I not see all this? I totally missed this whole pouch. I don't know how I missed this whole thing. I don't know what I was thinking. But inside of the pouch, they do give you a comb, a little rat tail comb. They give you some bobby pins. They also give you 2 clips and a wax stick, which I love wax sticks. And then you also just get some instructions on how to assemble your wig stand right here. All in all, you guys, I like it. Let me know what you think down below in the description box. I will put everything that I'm wearing, all that good stuff, all the details down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.